Hey everyone, today I would like to show you how you could use Monocle with Akaho to instrument Claude CLI. So let's get started with it. The entire setup is pretty quick and straightforward. You just need to run a few commands in your terminal and that's pretty much it. And after that, any Claude session that you start will be instrumented by Monocle. So the first thing that you need to do is open up a terminal and install UV if you don't already have it installed. Once that executes, you need to install the Monocle package using this command. After that, you need to run this command. So this command basically installs the setup for Claude instrumentation. So when you click enter, it prompts you with two options. So the first option, you would select option one if you would like to instrument all the Claude sessions that you initialize on your computer. The second option is if you would just like to instrument the Claude sessions in a particular repo or a directory that you're working in, you could use the second option. Today, we will use the second option, that is instrumenting only the Claude sessions that are initialized in this particular directory. So let's click enter. When you click enter, this will prompt you with three more options. So you basically have an option to send your traces, the instrumentation that gets collected to Akahu Cloud to leverage all the additional cool features that Akaho provides. Or you could click option 3 to store the traces locally. You could later use the Akaho VS Code extension to analyze and evaluate the traces that way as well. We will add the link to the extension in the description below. For today, we will be sending the traces to Akaho Cloud. So let's pick option 1. Uh, this will open up a browser. Now you could sign in using a GitHub account by clicking GitHub. By the way, don't worry if this is your first time doing this. If you do not have an account with Akaho, this command will basically create an account for you, so you don't have to worry about going in and create an account manually. And that's pretty much it. If you come back to the terminal, now if you start a Claude session, every session will be instrumented by Monocle, and the traces will be sent to Akaho Cloud. So let's do a quick demo by starting a Claude session. So let's ask a quick question and see how that instrument gets converted and sent to a Kahoot. I will come back once this is done. Now that Claude is done, we could see how this instrumentation looks like in Akaho portal. So open up a browser, type in portal.akaho.go, and make sure you sign in using the same GitHub account that you used to sign in initially. Once you do that, you will see an application page like this. If this is your first time seeing this application page, you won't find this app. You have to create a new app. To create a new app, click the new button and add in the app name. And you need to connect components. In our case, the components are workflows, and workflow is basically the directory that we started the Claude session in, and that is the Claude CLI instrumentation. Just copy that, paste it over here. You would see that as a component, add it and save it as a component. And once you do that, create an application. What this basically does is all the instrumentations that get generated by Claude in this particular directory will be sent to this particular workflow in this particular app. Since I've already done that, the app would look something like this. So this is the main page where you could analyze the number of traces that got instrumented, all the relevant metrics for that. And Akahu also provides three different ways of viewing a raw trace. Before that, Akahu uses a terminology called agentic turn and agentic session. An agentic turn is basically a single question that you ask to Claude becomes kind of one turn, and a session behaves the same way it behaves in Claude CLI. So Akaho provides the tree view, the Gantt view, and the narrative view. These are various different ways that you could analyze a raw single trace. Akaho also provides evaluations that you could run on bunch of instrumentation that you have selected. And that's pretty much it for how to instrument Claude CLI. Akaho and Monocle are also supported for instrumenting Codex CLI. You could refer to the documentation that will be linked in the description below. That's pretty much it for today, and thank you.